This is how you can get your own branded Facebook hashtag. Launch the Facebook app, head to your profile. On your profile, click on what's on your mind. From here, make sure you input the hashtag icon. You can type any word, any sentence, any phrase, just about anything you want your branded hashtag to be like. If I want to search for how to cook, there are so many posts about how to cook, so I don't want my own branded Facebook hashtag to bear this name, how to cook. There are about 59,000 posts about how to cook, so I want to give my own branded Facebook hashtag. I will be giving it JannyCee TV, JannyCee TV, just like so. Then I will post it on my profile. Here, the post was shared. It has been posted. So let me view it. This is my branded Facebook hashtag. So if I want to check for this Facebook hashtag, I will simply click on the search icon here at the top right hand corner, and then I will search JannyCee TV. JannyCee TV. If there's any post bearing this name, it will appear just like so. This is JannyCee TV. This is it. This is how you can create your own branded Facebook hashtag. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.